About the sacrifice you made, and made it just for us. You didn't spare none of us. Just by speaking your words and when your breath up on the dust. Why the sin gets so in the flesh? Let the old man die and start a new life for righteousness. And we don't understand just how blessed. Triumph again and again until we realize that that's the test. So Heavenly Father, I thank you for my life now. You gave it to me now, you give it back to Christ now. No more falling at the clubs, no more fornicating with the women with the top to the dope.